Hello and welcome to part 4 of our Solana deep links tutorials, now also supporting Android. So I'm quickly going to show you the thing on Android. So I put it on an Android phone. Now I transfer my screen. And here you can see the app on an Android phone. So I just open it. Then I can, same as on iOS, I can just click connect. It opens Phantom, deep link. I can approve this and I'm logged in. And all the other things, all the other functionality also works. So I can start a transaction. I think if I click too quickly, it doesn't work. So click here, it opens the transaction. You can see I don't have any Sol in my wallet, so we can also easily check now the error handling. So I approve it, and it says, "Hey, debit account not found. No records on the wallet because I don't have any Sol in it." Okay, let's go back. I'll show you the code. So how I did it is I just looked up the Android deep linking documentation from Unity, and all we need to do is create a custom manifest file and then put here under scheme, like we did on iOS, we need to put in the name of our app and then here the function name that can be called. So how that looks like is I basically copy pasted it, I put it into plugins, Android manifest, and I added the two functions that we have, which is on Phantom connected and transaction successful. And beside that, everything in the Phantom Deep Links service works the same as before. You only need to make sure that the function names you're calling are also in the manifest. And I had some problems getting this running because I didn't know that this is the function name here that needs to be here set by host. So what I did, and it's a nice tip for you maybe for testing, is I just create a barcode of the thing that I want to scan, that I want to open, like the deep link. And then I just take my phone, the Android phone, and I just scan it with the camera. So let me open the camera. I can't find it on this phone. Here, okay. So I open the camera, I scan the link, and then I just follow it, and it also opens the app correctly. The nice thing is that what you could actually do is you could create your own your own QR code which has a transaction in it, and theoretically you should be able to sign it, but I haven't tested this yet, so if everyone wants to try it out, it would be a nice idea. Beside that, now it works on Android, and the next thing we're gonna do probably is also get it to WebGL, because many people were requesting, and it would be nice if the example works on all platforms. Next we go then to Windows Phone, then Xbox, Switch, everything. Okay, see you in the next one.